Welcome to our channel, Jelly Jumps. We're so glad you are here.
Let's learn colors named today.
Red, black, white, grey, yellow, green, pink, blue, purple, brown, orange.
Thank you for watching Jelly Jumps. We'll see you next time. Always remember, we love you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more inspiring content.